Okay, we're going to go ahead and finish this part. We're going to go ahead and program it. We already have our geometry. We're going to go ahead and do this part first. We're going to face OD rough. We're going to do an OD groove, rough and finish. And we're going to go ahead and do our finish with the 35-degree tool. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is hit a section where it says Tools and Cam. I'm just going to open up. As you guys can see, I already went ahead and finished the part, but I'm going to show you through the process. The first thing I did is I went down to this section here. I double clicked it. I clicked on 80 degrees. Where it says tip radius, I went ahead and put 132, which is 31,000 tip radius. This is the direction of my tool. You can click from different directions. Obviously, this is an OD, so that's going to be the direction I'm going to go with. For my face relief, I put 5 degrees, and it's going to give me a little tilt. Right in the section below here, where it says comments, this is the information I put: 80 degrees, 31,000 tip radius, face, and OD rough. That's basically it. That's all the information you put for this tool. 80 degree, tip radius 31,000, face relief 5 degrees, and the information here below. Just forward and go ahead and click out. For the face, I used contour. I went and clicked and dragged this one over here and brought it over here and brought my tool and dragged it on top of this one like that, and it opened up this section here. And as you can see, I have forward, front face. For my rapid movement, I'm gonna stop 100,000 right before I hit my stock, and I'm gonna depart after my face 100,000. I put full. I'm leaving 3,000 for my finish. And this is my entry mode, my exit mode, RPM, speed, constant speed, and your feet. But you can edit all that once you start editing your program. And you click out. Next thing I did was I went ahead and clicked here. I brought, okay, on this section here, once you click on your line, it's going to give you a black and white circle ball and a black and white square. You're going to bring your white circle, your white ball, and bring it all the way to the top, and the black one down to the center of your stock. And you're going to come over here and press do it. And what it does is it does your part, and then now you can see it. There you go. The next thing I do is I did my OD rough. I brought my rough and I dragged it down this section here. And I'm using the same tool, so I don't have to drag it down over here. I'm still using tool number 1. And this is the information I input. It's going to be an OD rough, forward, turn, there you go, forward, OD. My depth per cut is going to be 50 thousandths. In reality, that's going to be double the amount. It's 100 thousandths per cut. I'm using my auto clearance, material only, clearance 20 thousandths. For my X, I'm leaving 5 thousandths, and for my Z, I'm leaving 3 thousandths for my finish. I also went ahead and unchecked this one because if you can see the geometry, this side is taller than this one. And if I was to go ahead and check this one and I redid that, it would do that. So that's why I unchecked my X, negative X, and then go ahead and press redo, and it will give me that. So there you go. OD, cut depth 50 thousandths. You leave 5 thousandths for your X, 3 thousandths for your C. I use my auto clearance, material only, 20 thousandths clearance, and you go ahead and unclick that, and there you have it. What you do here is I started on my chamfer, my direction, going forward, and the exterior ball should be highlighted. I bring the white ball to the beginning. The black square, I bring it back all the way back to the line where I'm going to end, and the black ball, I'm going to bring it all the way down to my ending point. And there you go. That's what you get. Okay, that's my roughing. For my groove, I went ahead and clicked on this square, double clicked, and you get this. I clicked on groove right there. For my tip width, I chose 94. Tip radius 0.7. I click other, and go back to this. And if you notice that it kind of gives you the geometry of the insert. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a blade for this cut. So what I do is, where it says insert width, I go ahead and put the same amount, 0.094, 94, and there you go. For my face relief is 0, diameter relief is 0. My direction for my comment, 0.094 tip width, 0.007 radius OD groove. And there you have it. Groove, tip width 94, tip radius 7,000, insert width 0.094, face relief 0, diameter relief 0, and the comment. And you go ahead and I click this. What I did here is I clicked on this line here. I brought the white ball to the top, the black square to the last line where I'm going to end up, and the black ball to the ending point. And go ahead and do it, and there you go. We're going to finish now and continue on with programming with Gibbs Part 2.